It's February 20th, about 10:30 p.m. and there's a large group down by the foosball and ping pong tables. If you can see through here, you can see some of them, but from here it's hard to see, but we can certainly hear them. They've been really loud for over an hour, and it just shows that how loud the foosball table can be, and the ping pong table for that matter. There's been a lot of yelling and shouting like that. I assume it's whenever somebody scores a point, they all start yelling. Right now it doesn't sound that loud, but there's been a lot of yelling. That's what it's been like, that yelling. It's been going on for over an hour. And that's because there are places to sit outside the bar and foosball tables there. And if there was no place there for people to congregate, it would really help us go to sleep at night.